on, guys? Guess what? It's snowing. And it's been snowing for the last 2 weeks every day. And it's about 30 degrees today. It's about the warmest it's been. And I'm going on a little hunt. I'm going to meet Kojo out here. And there's probably about 6 inches on the ground right now. But I don't really give a shit. I just want to get outside and do something. Hopefully we can find something. Alright, I'll be back. It's cold. Surprisingly enough, in all this snow, this is only my second signal. Just got a nice greeny wheat penny. It's kind of ate up a bit, but I'm not going to mess around trying to clean it right now. Take a better look at it when I get home, but shoo, that makes me kind of happy. Let's try to get something else. Found these. Looks like Harry Potter lost his glasses again. Alright, keep going. Alright, here's the next find. There must have been a lot of sex going on in these woods, because I just got another 3 Merry Widows tin. Very sweet. It's the second one I found, so cool.